One of the most unforgettable scenes in Breaking Bad happens in Season 3, Episode 2, Caballo sin Nombre. What starts as a simple attempt to save a broken marriage quickly turns into one of television's most iconic moments. Walter White arrives at his family home carrying a giant pizza, hoping this small gesture will help repair his relationship with Skyler. After everything that has happened, Walt still believes they can sit down, talk, and somehow fix their family. But Skyler has already made up her mind. She refuses to let Walt back into her life and coldly rejects the pizza, telling him she's already making dinner. It's clear that this isn't about food. It's about trust that has been completely destroyed. Walt tries one last time. He asks Skyler to sit down with him and talk like adults, hoping she will give him another chance. But Skyler firmly tells him there's nothing left to discuss. At that moment, Walt's frustration boils over. Instead of walking away calmly, he suddenly throws the entire pizza onto the roof of the house. In a surprising twist, the pizza lands perfectly on the roof in a single throw, creating one of the funniest and most legendary moments in TV history. What makes this scene so memorable isn't just the pizza, it's what it represents. Walt realizes he's losing control of his family, and his anger comes out in the most unexpected way. Years later, fans still remember this pizza on the roof scene as one of Breaking Bad's most iconic moments. What do you think? Was Walt trying to fix his family, or had he already gone too far? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Breaking Bad recaps and unforgettable TV moments.